Hi, I'm Marna, and I had a request for some Baby Alive craft ideas. So I started thinking about it, and what do Baby Alives need? The kind that you rescue from a garage sale or a thrift store or something like that. Usually, my two needed, well, everything. It was just the doll. Surprisingly, I brought them both home and each had batteries and still worked. I made this little outfit. I'm going to share that little pattern online on my website. I don't have it up there today, but it will be soon. I went to the dollar store and I found some fun crafting items and I thought I'd share those with you. I got this green tub that I think is going to make a great craft coming up for the Baby Alive. And I got some more items that I thought would be fun. Look at this little baby t-shirt I bought. Now I know it's going to be a little big, but let's try this on. I have several crafting ideas for this t-shirt. I only bought one at this point, but I didn't know how it would fit or anything. And some of the crafting ideas, I did want it to be larger. You know what? It's not a perfect fit, but for what we're gonna do, I think it's gonna be great. I also bought some really cool, I don't know if you can see those, there's some shiny, it looks like glittery in there. I don't know if you can see it. This is really soft socks that I bought at the Dollar Tree. And we're gonna make clothing out of that. And I don't have any spoons or pacifiers or bottles for my Baby Alive. So I bought these. Let's see if they fit in the doll's mouth. And if they don't, that's gonna be a craft all in itself. I don't know how many are in here. 12. So if I mess up a couple grabs, I'll be all right. Let's see if they fit into the mouth. Well, it's a little big, so I think what we're gonna do is sand this down and with some really fine sandpaper so that it doesn't scratch up the mouth. I repainted this mouth. Somewhere we have the video of me doing that, also cleaning her out. She was rather dirty on the inside when I brought her home. So if we can find that, we will upload it. I also bought a bottle that I'm going to be adding a magnet to. Let's see how the nipple fits her mouth. We might need to do a craft where we change the size. Okay, that goes in, but it is a little long. I'm okay with it, but some people wouldn't be. And I bought 2 pacifiers. Now I have seen where people take and cut these up to make pacifiers that fit in the Baby Alive's mouth. Let's see how that goes. Well, that looks pretty good. But it is a little long. If you wanted that cut down, I've got a couple ideas for that. So that'll be a craft. And at Walmart, I was looking at the clearance items. I love the clearance rows because, well, I got these for 50 cents each. And I thought, you know, it's for a baby, but we can scale these down. I'm looking to see how these are put on here, and they're pretty tight, but let's take a look at this and see how much we need to scale it down. Maybe none. Isn't that cute? For a baby. All right, where's the, oh, I see. I thought this piece of plastic was elastic. It's not. It is a little large. Okay, so there are a few things you can do. One is very simply measure it out, and then we will run just a hand stitch, or you could do it on a sewing machine, right about here to tighten that down to fit on the Baby Alive's head. And it looks like this is the same. I thought the elastic was different, but let's take a look and see what we got here. Oh, that is odd. Okay. Well, I'm going to, let's see how carefully I can do this. Cut these free. If I cut that elastic, I'm still okay. Because you can do this elastic several ways. Yeah, that's going to be too big for the Baby Alive's head. But how cute is that? You can take it and very simply make a little knot. If you did it under the bow, I don't know that I'm that clever. If you did your knot under the bow, it would not be seen. Just pull it around, pull that tight, push it towards the bow, check your size. Looks pretty good. Let's put that over the bow she has. And then trim that off or tuck it under so that you could use it for another doll or a baby. 50 cents, and I got, what is there, 6 on this one and 3 on this one. I really like these, real cute. Just some fun little things to do with a Baby Alive doll. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments, do you own Baby Alive dolls, and from what year? Do you own the vintage or the newer dolls? Thanks again.